Hey guys, my name is Marlo, Mansion Marlo. Are you replacing your old kitchen faucet? I'm gonna give you some must-do considerations that you must know before replacing your kitchen faucet and installing a new one, guys. So, know the exact brand of faucet that you're taking out from your sink, guys. Know the exact brand, because when you go underneath there, you may need a specific tool like I needed for my Moen kitchen faucet. And I needed a specific tool to get it off my kitchen sink, guys. So I had a Moen, and just know your brand, get underneath there and look and see how it's configured underneath there to know whether or not you need a specific tool, guys. So another key consideration you must take is, how old is that kitchen faucet? Is there going to be rust underneath that kitchen faucet? So you must know, if you have rust underneath there, you need a rust removal lubricant, guys. So you may have to go underneath there and spray some lubricant and get it loose down there, because the other key consideration you must take is, all I needed for me, my home was brand new, was this small delicate wrench. And why you want to use something small first, you gotta know your strength underneath the sink, because if you go too strong, too hard, and you're not holding those pipes stiff, you can break one of those pipes and be in trouble. So know your strength when you're underneath that sink. Another must-do consideration before you get your kitchen faucet, get underneath your sink. I find that if you're very, very tiny, this project can be easy, or if you've got very long arms, this can be easy for you guys. So just get underneath there, know everything underneath your sink. You want to know the length of your arms on how you're going to get underneath your sink and loosen all those nuts and bolts underneath your sink, guys. So one must-do consideration you must know is, what type of tools are you going to need, right? So I just needed this delicate little wrench, and then which I highly recommend, this is a Delta faucet. You need something long, and a ratcheting screwdriver, not a normal screwdriver, because when you're underneath your sink, you're barely reaching up there. So it will be hard with the regular screwdriver to get underneath there. So I like this ratcheting one, so you can get underneath there and tighten the bolts down, guys. So guys, the last consideration you must take, after you install your kitchen faucet, there's a weight that goes underneath your sink to make this go retract back like that, right? So know the placement of this weight, because if you don't place it correctly, this can ding and hit all those pipes underneath your sink and create a leak. So make sure you pay attention to that. You'll know it's nice and free because it will retract nice, just like that, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will have another video step by step on my channel to show you how to replace your kitchen faucet, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.